exercise 9C. In B part, I have explained about the gain and loss, increase, decrease. In B part, I have explained percentage increase, percentage decrease. In C part, I am going to explain about the gain and loss. Do you know what is gain and loss? Gain means when you get something more. When you get something more, then it is gain. When you get less, then it is loss. For example, you have purchased a chocolate from the shop of rupees 10. Okay, 10 rupees की आपने chocolate purchase की, and you are selling that chocolate to your friend by taking 12 rupees from him or from her. Then what does it mean? You have purchased it only for 10, but you are selling it on 12. It means you are taking rupees 2 extra on it. It means you are making profit on it. But if you are taking that chocolate, if you have purchased that chocolate of rupees 10 and you have given to your friend only of rupees 7, you have purchased it for 10 but your friend had only 7 rupees. Friend ने बोला मेरे पास 7 rupees ही हैं, I have no more money. Then you said okay, you give that 7 rupees to me and take this chocolate. Okay, it means you have given that chocolate to your friend only at 7 rupees, means 3 rupees less. Okay, so you are making loss on it. Here you have gain and here you have loss. So I hope you all have understood. The price at which the object is purchased is called cost price. Cost price is the price at which the article is purchased. Okay, and the price at which the article is sold is called selling price. The price at which the article is sold is called selling price. Okay, cost price is CP, selling price is SP. Okay, is there any confusion in selling price and cost price? Those who are entering the class in between, they are literally disturbing the class. Okay, if the price which you have given to the shopkeeper, that is the purchase price, the cost price. If the cost price is less than the selling price, it means if selling price is more, you have sold at more rupees, then you have made gain. अगर आपने कम रुपीस का परचेज करके ज़्यादा में सेल कर दिया है, it means you have made gain on it. One of the video is not mute. I'm getting the my voice, reflection of my voice. If cost price is less than the selling price, it means that you have purchased it of 10 and cost price is more than the selling price. It means if you have purchased it for 10 and sold at 7, it means you have made loss on it. Dear student, so many are speaking. Two or my voice is coming, no? Is it audible? Sarabjeet, keep your audio in mute. Okay. Ritisha, Anirudh, keep your audio in mute. Anandita, keep your audios mute. Anirudh and Sarabjit. Because it disturbs to others also. Akriti. Okay. Let's begin the questions. In first question, it is given that an object was bought for rupees 500. It means the cost price of the object is 5,000 and sold for rupees 6,500. The selling price is rupees 6,500. Here is it, by seeing these two values we can say that the selling price is more than the cost price. Still I am getting the noise. Anirudh, why you keep your audio unmute? This is because of your network, beta. I will share the video. If you have any confusion, then you can see that video and you can watch it twice, thrice to clear your confusion. Okay? If the selling price is more than the cost price, then we have profit. As I explained, if the selling price is more than the cost price is, then we have profit. How can we get the profit? We can get the profit by subtracting selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 6,500, cost price is 5,000. By subtracting, we have the profit of rupees 1,500. Okay? If you have to get the gain percent, how we get the gain percent? Gain upon CP into 100. What I said, it is because of your network. What is the gain? 15. How many times should I say? Come in the network area. CP is 5,000 into 100. This is 30%. Okay. In second question, we have a wristwatch of 2,000 and it is sold at 1,800. The cost price is more than the selling price. It means we have loss. So we can get the loss by subtracting, and loss percent also we can get loss upon CP into 100. Next we have the third question. In third question it is given that a Priya buys 50 balloons at 3 each. CP of 50 balloons, 3 into 50, rupees 150, and sells them at 4 each. SP of 50 balloons is equals to 4 into 50. This is 200 rupees. Selling price is more than the cost price. SP is more than CP. 4 each, and sells them at 4 each. SP is more than CP, so we have gain. How we get gain? SP minus CP. 200 minus 150. We have 50. So gain percent, how can we get? Gain upon CP into 100. In place of gain 50, CP is 150 into 100. This is 100 by 3 or 33 whole 1 by 3%. Okay. Question number 4 is same as third. In fifth question, we have Suraj buys an old cycle for 1400 and spent 100 rupees on its repair. So the total CP is 1400 plus 100, that is 1500. And the selling price is 1800. Selling price is more than the cost price, so we have profit. Find the profit. Profit is equals to SP minus CP. Then get the profit percentage. Now we have 6 question. In 6 we have 2 parts. I am going to explain the first part. Both the parts are same. It is given that if CP of 6 articles is equals to SP of 4 articles. Yes. Loss upon CP into 100. Here it is given that CP of 6 article is equals to SP of 4 article. Suppose it is X. Okay. CP of 6 article is 6. So CP of 1 article, X by 6. SP of 4 article is X. So SP of 4 articles. So SP of 1 article is equals to X by 4. We have CP X by 6 and SP X by 4. By cross multiplication, check that which one is greater. It is 4x, it is 6x. SP is more than CP. So we have profit. Get the profit. SP minus CP. In place of SP, I will share the video beta. It is, take the LCM. 12 is the LCM. So it is 3x minus 2x. It is x by 12. This is the profit. So profit percent is equals to profit upon CP into 100. In place of profit, x by 12. CP is x by 6 into 100. X is cancel out. This is 6 by 12 into 100. This is 50%. Okay, this is 50%. Its second part is same as the first part. And 7th is also same as 6th. Question number 8. Reena buys toffees at 10 for rupees 3. So, CP of 1 toffee, 3 by 10. SP of 8 toffees is 3. So, SP of 1 toffee, 3 by 8. You will get the gain and gain percent. Now, I am going to explain the 9th question. Babita bought an article for rupees 650 and sold it at a loss of 13%. Cost price is, question number 9th, cost price is rupees. You all are not getting my voice? some of the student having network issue, because of that they are not getting my voice. So those who are not getting my voice clear, please come in network area, please have proper network. Okay, this is CP, this is loss percent. Get the loss is equals to 650 into 13 upon 100, and sold it at a loss of 13%. Get the 13% of 650. This is 169. What I am saying, beta, I will share the video also. This is 84.5. This is the loss. It means that SP is 650 minus 84.5. By subtracting 565.5. Okay, this is the selling price. Okay, so I hope you all have understood. If still you have any confusion, then you can ask me and I'll share the video of these questions, and you can watch the video and clear your confusion. Thank you. Till then, yes, daily we'll have Zoom meetings now. Okay, take care. Bye bye.